Hello, Bradley Bears. It's Mr. Gaines, one of the other social studies teachers here at Bradley. If you don't know who I am, shame on you. You're missing out on lots of fun. Anyway, let's move on. So, this week we have a cool new tool we're going to use. Yes, say that fast 3 times. Okay, so we're using a tool called Pear Deck. No, we're not going to try and jam pears through your computer. Pear Deck is an online tool that we can use to build some really cool experiences for you guys. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to walk through what you should do, how you can log in, and what you should do when you get there. So in your Google Classroom, now granted, some teachers organize their Google Classrooms differently, but here's mine. We'll use mine as an example. You're going to have an assignment that's called Industrial Revolution Effects. So in that assignment, you've got a PDF to read to go through and learn some things. Then you have a link. That link is to the Pear Deck that we're going to use this week to help you walk through some of the things you learned, hopefully learn some new things. Okay? So when you click on that link, this is what you're going to see. You're going to get a screen that's going to tell you first, you need to go to peardeck.com/join, and then it's going to give you a code, a joining code that you'll need to type in once you get there. Now, this is just an example. This is not the one you type in. Okay, this is just so I could show you what the screen looks like. So you'll go to peardeck.com, you'll have your code, and when you get to peardeck.com, you'll see this screen. It says Pear Deck. Now up here on the right side at the top, see I'm flashing at you there? There's a teacher login. You're not a teacher, not yet, maybe one day. And then there's a join a session button. When you click that join a session, they're asking you for a code. Now I'm going to put one in that I know works for one of my classes. So Q, D, L, J. Oh, you got to click in the box, Mr. Gaines. Q, D, L, J, H. Put your code in, put your code in, put your code in. It loads it. It asks you how you're feeling. I am feeling great. It does this little flippy thing up there at the top. And then you're in. You will land on the first screen here. This is the cover slide for your PowerPoint deck that you're going to work through. And then all you do is you just click this forward arrow down here on the left. Everybody see it over here? You click forward. It asks you a question. You learned about the inventions. How could those have a negative effect? Well, what about pollution? So I type in pollution here in the box, and I get a check mark down here on the left that I completed it. Check marks are great. Then I click to the next slide. This slide is going to tell me what I'm going to do today. So I need to review the Industrial Revolution effects presentation back in my classroom. We've done that. I've got it open. And then I need to just complete the rest of this deck. So if we click on the next slide, first, I've got a video that I'm going to watch. So I'll click on that link. Some lady talking about writing, but then we'll skip her. And here we go. We've got a video about how inventions change history. So you watch the video. You watch the video, cool stuff, fun stuff. Then once you watch the video, you'll go to the next slide. So here's what you need to do. You need to read, you need to pay close attention to post-its and stuff in that presentation. And then you're going to complete these things. You're going to type in here. You're going to type in what all of the effects were. Okay? And then you're going to keep going. Then you're going to write in what was the effect of rural to urbanization, like here. So look, I need a text box. So I'm going to click on text. I'm going to click on the box, and I'm going to write poverty with a Y. There we go. So see, guys, it's really easy. Now, I know this is new. And it may take some figuring out, and we may have some technical things we have to figure out together in the beginning, but we'll figure it out. Okay, I think this is really a fun new way for you guys to do your work. So what you do, you go through, you complete the slides, you answer the questions, and then you're done. You don't have to save anything, you don't have to download anything. It is just done. So, okay guys, I hope this helped. I hope this will help you navigate this new cool tool. And we'll talk to you later in the week. Good luck, guys.